Hi students, welcome to Roots Academy. Myself Inayatullah, lecturer of mathematics. Student, in our last video, we discussed about the passing package of second PUC mathematics, and especially we discussed the problems related to bijective functions. In today's video, we'll discuss about the matrices, which are very important in second PUC annual exam. They will ask one 5 marks question from this, and actually the second PUC mathematics question paper. So in passing package part 2, we will discuss matrices today. Passing package. Today it is part D question. Matrices. Part D, 5 marks question. So students, this is very important, and in matrix chapter they will ask 5 marks problem based on the algebra of matrix, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication. Based on that they will ask one problem for 5 marks. So let us discuss one by one. So student, here the first problem is, if A is a matrix and its order is 3 cross 3, 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0. B is another matrix, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. C is a matrix, 2, minus 2, 3. Student, these are the 3 matrices, and he is asking us to verify that, we should verify that A plus B into C is equals to AC plus BC. And actually it is a distributive law under addition. So that is asking us to verify. Let us discuss this problem. So student, here in a left hand side, first we'll try to find A plus B, then that will multiply with C matrix. Later we'll find AC, that is A will multiply it with C. Then we'll find BC. After finding AC and BC, we will add this. This will be our equation 2 and this will be our equation 1. If both are same, it is verified. Okay, solution. So student, directly will take, because the matrices are here. So A plus B. A matrix is 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8. 7 minus 8 and it is 0. Plus B matrix is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. Now student, in addition and subtraction, we will go with element to element. First matrix, first element to the second matrix, first element. Then second element to the second element, third element to the third element. That is, corresponding elements of these 2 matrices we will add here. So what is the answer we will get? 0 plus 0, it is 0. 6 plus 1, it is 7. 7 plus 1, it's 8. This is the first row addition. Now let us come to the second row addition. Minus 6 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1, it's minus 5. The next 0 plus 0, it is 0. Student, it's minus 5. 8 plus 2, so this is 8 plus 2, it's 10. Next is 7 plus 1, it's 8. Then minus 8 here, minus 8 plus 2, it's minus 6. 0 plus 0, it's 0. Student, this is our A plus P matrix. Let us multiply this matrix with this C matrix. So that is A plus B into C is equals to A plus B is 0, 7, 8, minus 5, 0, 10, 8, minus 6, 0. This is A plus B. Now C is 2, minus 2 and 3. Now student, but in multiplication it is not like corresponding elements. In multiplication we will go with first row to first column. So first let us see what kind of order we will get. Student, obviously this is 3 cross 3 matrix and this is 3 cross 1 matrix, 3 rows 1 column. This is 3 rows 3 column. Student, if I multiply these two matrix, then my new order must be 3 cross 1. Yes. If I multiply these two matrix, again I should get a matrix whose order is 3 cross 1. With this order, we can easily verify whether we are doing correct multiplication or not. Because sometimes usually what students will do, they'll simply multiply and they'll keep some matrix as the answer. But with this easily we can verify. Are we really getting 3 cross 1 matrix? If we are getting 3 cross 1 matrix, okay, we can consider we are going correct method. If it is any different order, then we can change our method. Okay. Now, how can we multiply? First row, first column. So first row, first column. Then second row, first column. Then third row, first column. Because there is no other columns here. So what do we get? 0 into 2 is 0. 7 into minus 2. Again, corresponding elements to corresponding element. One row, all the elements with one column is our one element. First row, first column is our first element. Then 7 into minus 2, it is minus 14. 2 into, 8 here, 8 into 3, it's plus 24. This is the first element. Okay, next, minus 5 into 2, it's minus 10. 0 into minus 2, it's minus 0. 10 into 3, it's plus 30. Next, 8 into 2, it is 16. Minus into minus, this is minus 6 and it is minus 2. Both are negative, so it becomes plus. 6 2s are 12. 0 into 3, it is 0. So student, what is the final answer? The final answer is 10 minus 14 plus 24 is 10. Minus 10 plus 30, it is 20. 16 plus 28, it is, 12 is 28. So student, this is our left hand side. This is our equation 1. We will call this is equation 1. After finding equation 1, that is left hand side, let us go to the right hand side. So I will multiply A into C. A into C. What is A matrix? 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0, into C. C matrix is 2, minus 2, 3. Student, again, this same case as we discussed here. A matrix is 3 cross 3 matrix. C matrix is 3 cross 1 matrix. Again, in our answer, if you multiply these two things, we should get 3 cross 1 matrix. Let us see how do we get. 0 into 2, that is first row, first column. 0 into 2, it is 0. 6 into minus 2, it's minus 12. 7 into 3, it's plus 21. First row, first column is over. Now let us come to the second row. Minus 6 into 2, it's minus 12. 0 into minus 2, it's minus 0. 8 into 3, it's 24. Next, 7 into 2, it's 14. Minus into minus, it's plus. 8 2s are 16. Then 0 into 3 is 0. Next, the next answer is minus 12 plus 21. It's 9. Then minus 12 plus 24. It's 12. Then 14 plus 16. It's 30. Student, this is A into C. A into C. Next, I should find B into C. First B matrix, then C matrix. We should not change the order here. Usually students will do the mistake in matrix multiplication. They will change the order. They will think that in multiplication anyway it is same. But student, in matrix multiplication it is not same. Because matrix multiplication is not commutative. Whatever the order he has given, it is B into C. So we should take B into C only, not C into B. If we interchange the order, then we may get different answer. So matrix multiplication is not commutative. So we should not change the order. So whatever, if he has asked AC, we should take A first, then C. If he is asking BC, then first should be B matrix, then second should be C matrix. Okay. B matrix is what? 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. This is B matrix. And C matrix. What is C matrix? 2, minus 2, 3. Student, again same procedure here. This is 3 cross 3 and this is 3 cross 1. So if I multiply these two matrices, I should get 3 cross 1 matrix. Okay, what do I get? 0 into 2, it's 0. 1 into minus 2, it's minus 2. Then 1 into 3, it's plus 3. Next is second row. This multiplication. 1 into 2, it's 2. 0 into 2, it's plus 0 or minus 0. 0 doesn't have any sign. 2 into 3, it is plus 6. 1 into 2, it's 2. 2 into minus 2, it's minus 4. 0 into 3, it's 0. Now student, if I add this, the final answer for this is 1. Next 2 plus 6 is 8. Then next is minus 2 it is. Student, this is B into C. Now what exactly I should do in the right hand side? I should add these two matrices. AC plus BC. Student, what is A into C? It is 9, 12 and it is 30 plus B into C 1, 8 minus 2. Student, if I add these two matrices, 9 plus 1, it's 10. Then 12 plus 8, it's 20. 30 plus into minus is minus. 30 minus 2, it's 28. Student, this is equation 2. Student, if I compare equation 1, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If I compare these two equations, this is verified. It is verified. Hence it is verified. So this is the final answer. You should write the conclusion that hence it is verified. The given distributive property is verified for these matrices. Second problem is, if matrix A equals 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. B matrix is 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2 5 2 0 3 2 0 3. C matrix is 4 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3. Student, with this 3 matrix, we should verify that A plus B minus C is equals to A plus B minus C. What we should verify? We should verify A plus B minus C is equals to A plus B minus C. This we should verify. We should verify that A plus B minus C is equals to A plus B minus C. This we should verify. It is just addition and subtraction. Very simple verification. We will take solution. Okay, student. Matrices are already here. So in left hand side, the first thing is I need B minus C. First we give importance to the bracket. I should find first B minus C. After finding B minus C, that I will add with A matrix. So first is B minus C. B matrix is 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3 minus C is 4 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3. Student, it is just subtraction, very simple subtraction. Student, 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. As I said in the previous problem, addition and subtraction is corresponding elements. Only to the corresponding elements. Then minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1 is minus 2. 2 minus 2, it's 0. Then 4 minus 0, it's 4. 2 minus 3, it's minus 1. 5 minus 2, it's 3. Second row subtraction is over. Now last row subtraction. 2 minus 1, it's 1. 0 minus into minus. See, this 2 has two negative signs. Minus into minus, so it becomes plus. 0 plus 2 is 2. Then 3 minus 3 is 0. Student, this is our B minus C. This matrix I should add with A matrix. A matrix. Let us see what happens. A plus B minus C. Student, what is A matrix? 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 1. This is A matrix plus this matrix I should add with B minus C. That is this matrix. Minus 1, minus 2, 0, 4, minus 1, 3, 1, 2, 0. Okay, student. Here I should add these two matrix, and this is our LHS, and in addition corresponding element. 1 plus minus 1. 1 plus into minus, it's minus 1. 1 minus 1, it's 0. 2 plus into minus. 2 plus into minus is minus. 2 minus 2, it's 0. Minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. This is first row addition. Next, 5 plus 4. it's 9. 0 plus into minus minus, so it's 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 2 plus 3, it's 5. The next 1 plus 1, it's 2. Then minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 here, and it is plus 2, it's plus 1. 1 plus 0, it's 1. I can tell this is equation 1. Then this matrix is my equation 1 because this is complete my left hand side. Next, let us come to the RHS side. In right hand side, what I need first? I need to find A plus B first. Okay. So what is A plus B? A plus B is okay, is 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. This is A matrix plus B matrix, that is 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. Questions? After this, let me add this 2 matrix. What do I get? 1 plus 3, it's 4. 2 plus into minus is minus. 2 minus 1, it's 1. Minus 3 plus 2, it's minus 1. Minus 3 is here, plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Because 3 is a minus and 3 is a greater number. Next, 5 plus 4, it's 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 5, it's 7. Next, 1 plus 2, it's 3. Then minus 1 plus 0, it's minus 1. 1 plus 3, it's 4. Okay, student, this is our A plus B. This is our A plus B. This matrix, that is A plus B matrix, I should subtract with C matrix. That is our RHS. Let me see what will be the answer. A plus B minus C, that should be equals to A plus B is 4, 1, minus 1, 9, 2, 7, 3, minus 1, 4. So question, this is over. Minus C matrix. C matrix is 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, 3. Student, I should subtract these 2 matrices. So, student, if I subtract, it is corresponding elements. 4 minus 4, the answer is 0. 1 minus 1, it's 0. Minus 1, minus 2. Student, here, minus 1, and this 2 also having minus. So, minus 1, minus 2, is minus 3. Next, 9 minus 0, it's 9. 2 minus 3, it's minus 1. 7 minus 2, it's 5. This is second row subtraction. The third row subtraction, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then minus 1, minus into minus. See, this 2 is having 2 negative signs. Minus into minus becomes plus. Plus 2 minus 1, it's plus 1. 4 minus 3, it's 1. This is my right hand side. This I will call as the equation 2. Now I should compare these 2 equations. 0, 0, minus 3. Yes, it's correct. 9 minus 1, 5. Yes, 2, 1, 1. Yes. Students, these 2 matrices, equation 1 and equation 2 are same. So I can say that from equation 1 and 2, it is verified. That is, A plus B minus C is equals to A plus B minus C. So it is verified. Third problem is, if A equals -2, 4, 5 and matrix B equals 1, 3, -6. Students, we should verify that A into B whole transpose is equals to B transpose into questions. So it's solution. So student is asking us to find first AB transpose. So to find AB transpose, first let us find A into B first. Then we can take its transpose. And what is transpose? Transpose means interchanging rows and columns. Rows becomes columns and column becomes rows. First A into B. A matrix is -2, 4, 5. Then B matrix is 1, 3, -6. So student, if you want to multiply these two matrices, first we should know what kind of order we will get. So its order is 3 cross 1 and its order is 3 cross 3. Student, if I start multiplying these two matrices, then I should get the new matrix whose order is 3 cross 3. I should get the order is 3 cross 3. This first matrix row, second matrix column should be the order of new matrix. Okay. So how can I multiply them? As I said, in multiplication, first row to first column. Then it's very simple, because in first row there is only one element and in first column there is only one element. So we'll do element to element multiplication. So that is equals to -2 into 1, it's -2. That's it. This is the first element. Now still there are 3 columns here. So with this row we can multiply with other 2 columns also. -2 into 3, it's -6. This is the first row, second column. Because as many columns will come, that many columns will come. -2 into -6, it's +12. Now first row is finished. Let us start with second row. Second row element is 4. 4 into 1, it's 4. 4 into 3, it's 12. 4 into -6, it's -24. The next is the third row. 5 into 1, it's 5. 5 into 3, it's 15. Minus 5 into 6 is 30. Student, this is A into B. But in my left hand side, I have AB transpose. A into B whole transpose. So what is it? Transpose. Rows becomes column. First row becomes first column. That is -2, -6, 12. Then second row becomes second column. 4, 12, -24. The next last row, third row becomes third column. It is 5, 15, -30. This is equation 1. Next, for equation 2, first I should take B transpose. B I know, it is 1, 3, -6. B transpose is 1, 3, -6. Student, this is B transpose. Row matrix becomes column matrix. What is A transpose? A matrix is the column matrix. Its transpose becomes row matrix. So it's -2, 4, 5. This is A transpose. So let me take first multiplication, or directly multiplication, B transpose into A transpose. This matrix into this matrix. What is B transpose? 1, 3, minus 6. Next is minus 2, 4, 5. Student, as I multiplied to this A into B, same process, B transpose, A transpose. Same way I should multiply. So it means if I multiply these two matrices, again I should get a 3 cross 3 matrix. That is first row to first column multiplication. So 1 into minus 2, it's minus 2. 1 into 4, it's 4. 1 into 5, it's 5. So first row with all the 3 columns are over. Now let us start with second row. First matrix, second row is 3. 3 into minus 2, it's minus 6. 3 fours are 12. 3 into 5, it is 15. Next, third row of the first matrix, minus into minus, it's plus. 6 twos are 12. Then 6 fours are minus 24. Then minus 6 fives are minus 30. Student, this is called as equation 2. Okay. Let me check equation 192. Minus 2, 4, 5. Minus 2, 4. Yes, first row is correct. Minus 6, 12, 15. Yes, it's correct. 12 minus 24 minus 30. Yes, it's correct. So students, from equation 192, this condition is verified. From equation 192, that is AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. This is the answer. If A transpose is equals to 3, 4 minus 1, 2, 0, 1. And P matrix is equals to minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. We should verify that A plus B transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. So it's very simple problem. But here in the given question, he has given A transpose. Okay, that we need in RHS. But first, to find LHS, we should convert it to A matrix. Solution. A transpose is given. So I will take directly. A transpose is 3, 4 minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Student, this is A transpose. And it is 3 cross 2 matrix. But I should find first A. It means to find A, I should take transpose of this. Because transpose of transpose is A. So what is A then? A is 3, 4 minus 1, 2, 0, 1. 2 cross 3 is A matrix. Okay, I know A as well as B is given. So let me add this. A plus B. A just now I got 3 minus 1, 0, 4, 2, 1. B matrix is given in the question. It's minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now I should add the corresponding elements of these two matrices. 3 plus minus 1. 3 plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus. That is 3 minus 1. It's 2. Minus 1. Minus 1 it is plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. Then 0 plus 1. It's 1. Next 4 plus 1. It's 5. 2 plus 2, it's 4. 1 plus 3, it's 4. Student, this is equation 1. This is our equation 1. Oh, sorry, not equation, sorry. This is A plus B matrix. Actually, we need A plus B transpose. What is A plus B transpose? Whatever this matrix I got, A plus B, I should take the transpose of this. Means rows become column and column becomes rows. So first column becomes first row, that is 2, 5. Next, second column becomes second row, 1, 4. And this is equation 1. Now directly let us come to the RHS. Very simple. A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose is already given here. So what is A transpose? 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Okay. Plus B transpose. What is B transpose? B is given. B transpose will be interchanging this rows and column matrix. So it's minus 1, 1. That is first column becomes first row. Second column becomes second row. Third column becomes third. This is B transpose. Again, we should add these two matrices. So what is the answer we will get? 3 plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 plus 1, it's 5. Minus 1 is here. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 2 plus 2, it's 4. 0 plus 1, it's 1. 1 plus 3, it's 4. Student, this is equation 2. This is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, the given condition is verified. This is verified. Hence it is proved. Finally, we should write the conclusion that from equation 1 and 2, it is verified. Number 5. If A equals 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 5, B equals 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Show that AB is not equals with BA. A simple concept here. We should prove that AB is never equals to BA with this condition. So, as I said in the previous problem, that matrix multiplication is not a commutative. So with this we can easily understand. So let us first find A into B. A into B. What is A? 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 5. B matrix is 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Student, we should multiply these two matrices. So let us see what is the answer we will get. This is 2 cross 3 is the order, and this is 3 rows and 2 columns. So if I multiply these two matrices, then the new matrix order will be this into this, 2 cross 2. Means I should get only 4 elements in my AB matrix. So let us see how is it possible. And I will tell you here, if you want to multiply any two matrices, you should check on condition that number of columns of first matrix, number of columns of first matrix must be equals with the number of rows of second matrix. First should be column, that should be equals with row. This is first matrix and this should be second matrix. Student, that is number of columns of first matrix is equals with number of rows of second matrix. If this condition satisfied, then we can multiply the matrix. Otherwise, we cannot multiply. Two matrix. Okay, here it's satisfied, so we'll multiply. So how can you multiply? First row, first column, corresponding elements. One element with one element. 1 into 2, it's 2 plus, okay, there is a minus sign, so we'll write minus 2 into 4, minus 8, 3 into 2, plus 6. Okay, student, this is the first element. Now in our second matrix, there are another column. So with the same row, we should complete this. And that gives second element. 1 into 3, it's 3. Minus 2 into 5, it's minus 10. Then 3 into 1, it's plus 3. This is our second element. Now this finishes first row. Now let us start with second row. Same procedure. Second row, first column, second row, second column. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8. 2 into 4, it's 8. 5 into 2, it's plus 10. Next, minus 4 into 3, minus 12. 2 into 5, it's plus 10. 5 into 1, it's plus 5. Student, what is the answer? The answer is 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 minus 8, it's 0. 3 plus 3 is 6 minus 10 is minus 4. So minus 8 plus 8 gets cancelled here. Minus 8 and plus 8 gets cancelled. Plus 10 is left out. Then it's minus 2. 15 minus 12 is 3 here. Yes, student, this is my equation 1. And so in my equation 1, it is 4 elements. So it means it is 2 cross 2. Multiplication is correct. Next, what I should find? I should find A, B into A. B into A. Means I should interchange the matrix. Means change the position of the matrix. So my first matrix should be B matrix. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. This is B matrix. This is A matrix. 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5. Okay, student, these two matrices I should multiply. Let me see what is the order of this matrix. 3 rows, 2 column. 3 rows into 2 column. This is 2 rows into 3 column. It means if I multiply these matrix, if I start multiplying these matrix, I should get a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So 100% with this itself we can declare that it is not equal, but still we should find B into A. Fine. So first row, first column. 2 into 1, it's 2. 3 into minus 4, it's minus 12. First row, first column over. Now first row, second column. First row with this second column. 2 into minus 2, it's minus 4. 3 into 2, it's plus 6. Next, first row, second column is over. Now first row, third column. 2 into 3, it's 6. 3 into 5, it's 15. This finishes first row. This will be completed first row. Now let us start with second row, same procedure. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. 4 into 1, it's 4. 5 into minus 4, it's minus 20. 4 into minus 2, it's minus 8. 5 into 2, it's plus 10. Next, 4 into 3, it's 12. Next 5 into 5, it's plus 25. Last row, 2 into 1, it's 2. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 2 into minus 2, it's minus 4. 1 into 2 plus 2. Then 2 into 3 is 6. Next 1 into 5 is plus 5. Okay, so this is the matrix. What is the final answer? It is B into A equals 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Then minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2. 6 plus 15 is 21. Then 4 minus 12 is minus 16. Minus 8 plus 10 is 2. Then 12 plus 25. 12 plus 25 is 37. Our third row is 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Then minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. 6 plus 5 is 11. This will count as equation. Next here, I got 3 cross 3 matrix. AB is 2 cross 2 matrix. So order is different. So from equation 192, AB is not equals to BA. This is the answer. Students, this is the sixth problem. With this, we should verify AB into C is equal to A into BC. So first, let us find A into B. What is A into B says 1, 1, 1, 2, 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. Next, B is 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. This is A into B. Now, A into B means first row to first column. It has 3 cross 3 matrix and this has 3 cross 2 matrix. Then if I multiply these two things, I should get 3 cross 2 matrix. So let us see what is the multiplication. 1 into 1, 1. Then 1 into 0, it's 0. 1 into minus 1, it's minus 1. Still, sorry, there is a mistake in this matrix. A matrix is minus 1, it is minus 1 here, minus 1, minus into minus, this becomes plus 1. This is minus into minus is plus 1. Okay, now this is over. Now again, first row, second column. First row, second column, 1 into 3, it's 3. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 into 4, it's minus 4. Next, second row with first column and second row with third column, second column. 2 into 1, 2. 0 into 0, it's 0. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Next is second row, second column. 2 into 3 is 6. 0 into 2, 0. 3 into 4, 12. Next, last row, first column. Third row, first column. 3 into 1, it's 3. Minus 1 into 0, minus 0. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 3 into 3, it's 9. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 2 into 4, it's plus 8. Student, this is A into B. This is our A into B. What is the final answer of A into B? 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is, sorry, 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 4, it is 1. The next, 2 minus 3, it's minus 1. 6 plus 12 is 18. 3 minus 2 is 1. Student, 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 8. It's 15. Student, this is A into B. Next, this matrix, student, I should multiply AB with C matrix. AB into C. What is AB? Just now I got 2, 1 minus 1, 18, 15. C matrix is here 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. Student, this is C matrix. Okay, student. Let us multiply these two matrices. So its matrix is 3 cross 2 and its matrix is 2 cross 4. So that is 3 cross 2 here and this is 2 cross 4. It means if I multiply these two matrices, I should get 3 cross 4 matrix. Let us see what is the 3 cross 4 matrix we will get. First row, first column. Students, 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 2, it's plus 2 here. 2 into 2, next 2 into 2, it's 4. 1 into 0 is 0. Next, first row, third column. 2 into 3 is 6. 1 into minus 2, it's minus 2. Next, first row, last column. That is 2 into minus 4, it's minus 8. 1 into 1, it's plus 1. Next, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Then student, 18 into 2, it's plus 36. Then minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Plus 18 into 0 is 0. Then minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. 18 into minus 2, it's minus 36. Then second row, last column. Minus into minus, plus 1, 4, 4. Plus 18 into 1, it's 18. 18. Next, last row, first column, second column, third and fourth column. 1 into 1, it's 1. 15 into 2, plus 30. Next, 1 into 2, it's 2. 15 into 0, it's 0. 1 into 3, it's 3. 15 into minus 2, it's minus 30. 1 into minus 4, it's minus 4. Plus 15 into 1, it's 15. This is AB into C. Let us see what we will get. AB into C. Write it here. Then 2 plus 2, it's 4. 4 plus 0, it's 4. 6 minus 2, 4. Minus 8 plus 1, it's minus 7. This is first row. Next, minus 1 plus 36 plus 35 minus 2 minus 39, then plus 22. The next is 31, then 2 minus 27 and 11. Student, this is our equation 1. This is our equation 1. This will become equation 1. Try to find right hand side. In right hand side, first we should find B into C first. B into C. What is B into C? 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. C is 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. Okay. Student B into C. So first let me multiply this. If I multiply, okay, what is the order of this matrix? Its matrix is 3 cross 2. Its matrix is 3 cross 4. It means if I multiply these two matrices, I should get 3 cross 4 is my order. Okay, so this can be written as 1 into 1, 1, that is first row, first column, plus 3 into 2, it is 6, then 1 into 2, it's 2, 3 into 0, it's 0, 1 into 3, it's 3, 3 into minus 2, it's minus 6, 1 into minus 4, it's minus 4, plus 3 1 is 3. Student, this is B into C. Next is 0 into 1 is 0, plus 2 2 is 4. Next is 0 into 3, sorry, it's 0 into 3 is 0, 0, 2 into minus 2 in 0 into 2 is 0, 2 into 0 is also 0, 0 into 3 is 0, 2 into minus 2, it's minus 4. The next is 0 into minus 4, it's 0, 2 into 1, it's plus 2. Student, this is second row to all the 4 columns. Next, last row, that is minus 1 and 4 is there in last row. With this, we should multiply these 4 columns. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, plus 4 2s are 8, then minus 1 into 2, it's minus 2, 4 into 0, it's 0. Next, minus 1 into 3, it's minus 3, 4 into minus 2, it's minus 8, minus into minus plus 1 into 4, 4 plus 4 1 0. Student, this is equals to 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 minus 6 is minus 3, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Next, second row, 0 plus 4, it is 4. Okay, 0 plus 0, it's 0. 0 minus 4 here, 0 minus 4 is minus 4. 0 plus 2, it's 2. This is second row addition. Next, third row is minus 1 plus 8. Minus 1 plus 8 is plus 7. So minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Then here minus 3 minus 8. So it is minus 11. 4 plus 4 is 8. Student, this is our B into C. This is our B into C. Next, what we should do? This A matrix, I should multiply with this B into C. A should be multiplied to B into C. It is A matrix. A matrix is 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, minus 1, 2. B B into C is how much? 7, 2, minus 3, minus 1, 4, 0, minus 4, 2, 7, minus 2, minus 11. Okay, student, I should multiply these two matrix, and since its order is 3 cross 3 and its order is 3 cross 4, again I should get 3 cross 4 matrix only. Okay, so I will multiply here itself. The student here 1 into 7, start from here, 1 into 7 is 7, then student 1 into 7 it's 7, 1 into 4 plus 4 minus 1 into 7 minus 7. Okay, first row, first column is over. Now first row, second column. 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into minus plus 1 into 2 is 2. Next, 1 into minus 3, it's minus 3, 1 into minus 4, it's minus 4, 1 into minus 11, it's minus 1 into minus 11 plus 11. Okay, student, I will erase this. This is our equation 1, we should get same answer. And next is 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 1 into 2, it's plus 2, minus 1 into 8, minus 8. Next, second row with second row, first column, with second row, second column, with second row, third, with second row, fourth column. So 2 into 7, it's 14, 0 into 4 is 0, 3 into 7 plus 21. Next 2 into 2, it's 4, 0 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 2, it's minus 6, 2 into minus 3, it's minus 6, 0 into 4 is 0, 3 into 3 into minus 11 is minus 33. Next, second row, last column, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 0 into 2 is 0, 3 into 8 plus 24. Next, student, last column to all these four, sorry, last row with these four columns. 3 sevens are 21, minus 1 into 4, minus 4, 2 into 7, plus 14, 3 into 2 is 6, minus 1 into 0, minus 0, 2 into minus 2, it's minus 4, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, minus into minus plus 4, 2 into minus 11, minus 22, minus 22. Then last is 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 2 into 8, 16. Okay, student, this is the multiplication of A into BC matrix. Now let us see what is the final answer. Student, the final answer is plus 7 minus 7 gets cancelled here. This is A into BC. If I cancel plus 7 minus 7, then the left out part is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 7 plus 11. So it's still it is 4. Then next is minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. This is first row addition. Second row, 14 plus 21, 35. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Minus 6 minus 33. Minus 6 minus 33, minus 39. Minus 2 plus 24 is plus 22. Next is 21 plus 14 is 35. 35 minus 4, it's 31. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then minus 9 plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Minus 22. Minus 5 minus 22 is minus 27. Minus 5 plus 16. It is 11. Student, this is our equation 2. Now, if I compare this equation 2 with equation 1, whatever I written here, got earlier, I think it is both are same. We can check this. So it is yes, student, it is same. So student, equation 1 and equation 2 are same. So from equation 1 and equation 2, AB into C is equals to A into BC. Seventh problem is if A equals 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Then show that A cube minus 23A minus 40I, that should be equals to 0. Okay, student, in seventh problem it has given a matrix. With this matrix, he is asking us to prove that A cube minus 23A minus 40I, that should be equals to 0 matrix. The 0 matrix is null matrix, and student, I, capital I means an identity matrix of order 3 cross 3, because A is having order 3 cross 3, so we must take this I also an identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. If suppose A is 2 cross 2 order, then I will take I as 2 cross 2 matrix identity. So students, here A is known to us, okay, identity also can be easily we will get, but A cube is little bit difficult, so we will try to first find A cube. Before we find A cube, we should know what is A square. So student, A matrix is already given here. So with this A matrix, I will try to find A square. Student, what is A square? A square is simple, A into A, that's it. So it means I should multiply same matrix with itself, I will get A square. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Student, A square I am finding now. So simple multiplication as we saw in the previous problem. Same way we will multiply. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 3, it's 6. 3 into 4, it's 12. This first row, first column. Next, first row, second column. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into minus 2, it's minus 4. 3 into 2, it's plus 6. First row, second column is also over. Now first row, third column. So 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 1, 3. Yes. The next is 3 into 1, 3. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. 1 into 4, plus 4. Next, 3 into 2, 6. Minus into minus, minus 12, minus 12. So it becomes plus 4. 1 into 2, 2. Then 3 3 is 9. Minus 2. Then 1 into 1, 1. So there is a 9 minus 2 plus 1. Next, third row with these 3 columns. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 3, it's 6. 1 into 4, 4. Next, 4 into 2, 8. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 1 into 2, it's 2. 4 into 3, 12. Plus 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 1, 1. Student. So student, this is a square. Let me see what is the answer. A square. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 12, it is 19. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 5, it is 8. Then 7 minus 6 is 1. 10 plus 2 is 12. 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Then 10 plus 4, 14. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 12, 14, 15. Student, this is my A square matrix. A square matrix. But student, actually I need A cube, not A square. A cube I need. So what is A cube? A cube is A into A square. Or A square into A also we can write. This cube. What is A? 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. A square is 19. 4, 8, 1, 1, 8, then 14, 6, 15. Okay, students, let's find A cube. 1 into 19 is 19. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 into 4. It is 52. Sorry, 42. 42. Then next first row, first column. Now first row, second column. 1 into 4. 4. 2 into 12 is 24. 3 into 6 is 18. Next, 1 into 8, it is 8. 2 into 8 plus 16. 3 into 15, it's plus 45. Next is second row, these 3 columns. Second row, 3 into 19 is 57. Plus into minus, it's minus. 2 into 1 is minus 2. 1 into 14 is 14. Next, 3 into 4, it's 12. Minus 2 into 12, minus 24. 1 into 6, plus 6. Next, 3 into 8, it's 24. Minus 2 into 8, minus 16. 1 into 15 is 15. The next is 4 into 19, 72. Sorry. 4 into 19, 76. The next is 2 into 1 plus 2. 1 into 14 is 14. The next, 4 into 4 is 16. 2 into 12 is 24. Then 1 into 6 is plus 6. Next, last row, last column. 4 into 8 is 32. 2 into 8 plus 16. 1 into 15 is 15. Student, this is A. A cube. So let us see what is the answer we get for A cube. Okay, students, so what do we get for A cube? So, how much it is? So, student, A cube is 63. A cube is 63, and then it is 4 plus 24, 28. It is 46. Then 8 plus 6, it is 24. 24, it is 69. The next 57 minus 255 is 69. The next is minus 12 plus 6, it is 6. So it is minus 6. 24, 39, 39, 23, 23. Then 78, 82, 92, then 16 plus 24, it is 40, 46. Students here, 32 plus 16, 48, 53, 63. Student, this is our A cube. Our A cube. Yes. Students, in this complete equation, only A cube was unknown. Okay. We got now. We can directly use the equation now. In equation, we write LHS. What is my LHS? A cube minus 23A minus 40I. With this, I should prove that it is equals to 0. So let me substitute A cube value directly, right? 63, 46, 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63. This is AQ. Minus, and this 23 is multiplied to A. 23 is multiplied to A. So directly multiply this matrix A with 23. So each and every element of this matrix A gets multiplied by 23. 23 into 1 is 23. 23 into 2 is 46. 23 into 3 69. Then 23 into 3 is 69. 23 into minus 2 is minus 46. And 23 into 1 is 23. 23 into 4. 23 into 4. 92 is 46. It is 23. This is 23 into A. So directly I multiplied 23 to this A matrix. That means each and every element of this matrix A gets multiplied by 23. Then we got this is the answer. Then next minus the student I. We know I is an identity matrix. It is like this 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Student, this is the identity matrix here. This identity matrix should be multiplied by 40. Minus I got already here. Just I should multiply 40 to this identity matrix. So what do I get? I get 40 0 0 0 40 0 0 0 0 40. Now student, let us start subtracting these three matrices. First 63 minus 23 minus 40. Minus 23 minus 40. Minus 23 minus 40 with plus 60. It is 0. Next is 46 minus 46. 0 because this is 0. 69 minus 69 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 69 minus 69 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Minus 6. Minus into minus. Plus. Minus into minus here. Plus. So plus 46 this is. This becomes plus 46. Minus 6 and minus 40. Minus 46. So minus 46 plus 46 is 0. 23 minus 23 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Next is 92 minus 92. 0 is 0. So it is 0. Next 46 is there here. Minus 46. So it is 0 because here also it is 0. Now 63 plus 63 here. This is 23 with negative sign. So it becomes minus 23 and minus 40. Minus 23 minus 40 is minus 63 and there is a plus 63 here. Add 0. Minus 63 plus 63 is 0. Student, this is my 0 matrix, that is null matrix, and this is my RHS. Okay, student. This is about today's topic. So in today's topic, what we did, we learned matrices problem based on algebra of matrix, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication. So in whatever the problems we discussed today, it's very, very important. Definitely they will ask one problem in part B for 5 marks. So I hope you understood this. If you have students, if you are new to this channel, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and keep sharing our videos so other students can be benefited with this. Thank you.